Good morning, everyone. So, last is the modern periodic table. Okay, so we discussed about the Mendeleev and Mendeleev periodic table and all. Now, today we are just going to discuss the modern periodic table. Okay, so first of all, we should know about that the modern periodic table was given by the Henry Moseley. Okay, so in 1930, Henry Moseley showed that atomic number of an element is more fundamental property than its atomic masses. Okay, now what is the meaning of it? See, as you know that in the Mendeleev periodic table, Mendeleev has arranged all the elements and in increasing order of their atomic masses. Okay, but you know that there because of some problem arises in his table. So now this modern periodic table is that in increasing order of their atomic numbers. Okay, so elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic number. Yeah, or you can say what is the statement in the language of a science, you can say the physical and the chemical properties of an element are periodic function of their atomic number. Again, I'm repeating, the physical and chemical properties of an element is in periodic function of the atomic numbers. Okay, so now what is the feature of this periodic table? So when you see this periodic table, you saw that there are 7 periods in this periodic table. 7 periods are there, ठीक है, which is called as the vertical lines like this. ठीक है, 7 periods are there and 18 horizontal line, या 18 vertical, 18 horizontal, 18 horizontal line is called as a group. ठीक है, 7 period and 18 horizontal, 7 vertical lines are called period and 18 horizontal lines are there, which is called as the group. ठीक है, so there are 18 groups and 7 periods are there in the modern periodic table. Okay, now when we are talking about the modern periodic table, you saw that when we compare the elements, you saw that, just suppose that I am writing the elements of group first, like H, Li, Na, K, Rb, Cs, Fr. Fine. So when you see that in a same group, there is one thing common. Like for example, if I will say the atomic number of hydrogen is 1, so this is the 1 electron. Clear? Now atomic number of lithium is 3. Now what will be the electronic configuration? It is 2, 1. Okay, now this is sodium. What is the atomic number of sodium? Na ka 11. So when we do the electronic configuration, it is 281. Clear? Like potassium atomic number is 19. Now it is 2881. Clear? Now you can see that one thing is common in the last valence shell, they all have the 1 electron. Okay, so what is the conclusion by that? So actually the conclusion is that in the same group, the last electron is same. ठीक है, for example, when we take any group, like if we will take the second group members like Mg, Ca and all, so you can see that they all have the 2 electron in the outermost shell. Clear? When you see that carbon group, then you see that carbon, silicon, germanium, everyone has the 4 electron in the outermost shell. So this is the common conclusion. And electronic configuration by 2n square rule, you know that already. Ki how could we calculate this? Already I told you in the last videos, and 9th class we already discussed about that. So I'm not going to deal more about that. Fine. So here this is the modern periodic table, which you can see easily. ठीक है, if you will count that these are the periods. ठीक है, this is the first period, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh period. Fine. And this wise like group, I am just selecting the another one color. So when you see that this is okay, this is the group. Something has happened, just wait a minute. Okay, because of some problem my mobile get hang, that's why. Okay, now when we talk about this, so this is the features like position of element in the modern periodic table. So already I discussed that those who have some common characteristic, they will come in the same group. Okay, and the last most electron will be same, but one exception are there, that is a hydrogen. When you compare the hydrogen with the first group element and with the fluorine, chlorine and bromine and iodine, so you saw that it is showing the resemblance with the both, because as you know that hydrogen has only one electron, so this position is still a anomaly. Fine. Okay, so it can become in the first, it can become as a fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, but both most property it is showing with the first group element, so that's why it is in the first group. Okay, now when we talk about the trends in the modern periodic table, first of all we are just going to discuss about the valency. Okay, now what is a valency? So valency, it means the combining capacity of an electron, or as you can say that, as you know that the valency of an element is determined by the number of valence electron present in the outermost shell of its atom. For example, when we talk about sodium, so sodium has a one valency because it has a one electron in the outermost shell. Okay, if I will say you what is the valency of the magnesium, then you will say the atomic number of the magnesium is 12, electronic configuration will be 282. So how many number of electron present in the outermost shell? It is 2, so the valency will be a 2. Okay, so valency, it means the number of electron present in the outermost shell. This is the valency. Now what is the atomic size? Atomic size, it means the distance of electron from the nucleus. Okay, the distance of electron from the nucleus. For example, if I will say Na, okay, if I will say Ha, okay, now here you can say this is just suppose this is the sodium atom, this is the nucleus of the sodium atom, and here these are the orbits of the sodium atom. Okay, now what it will be, you know that atomic number of sodium is 11, then the 2 electron will come in this shell, 8 electron will come in this cell, 5 6 7 8, fine, and the 1 electron will come in this shell. Fine. So the distance of the nucleus to this electron, this is called as their atomic radius. Okay, and it is also considered to be as a size, a little bit difference is there. Okay, so okay, so this is the atomic structure of a sodium. Now hydrogen में it will be a nucleus and the electron, and this is the first electron. Okay, so as you know that when we are moving down the group, okay, so when we are moving down the group, only because of number of shells are increasing, so the atomic size will also increase. Okay, when we moving down a group, and when we are moving left to right, the atomic size of an atom decreases because of that, because you know that when we are moving left to right, no shell is increasing, only the number of electrons are increasing. Okay, so you should know that atomic size increases when we move down a group, it decreases when we go left to right. Okay, next is the metallic and non-metallic properties. So already you know in that we discussed in the chapter metal and non-metal, you have seen that the metallic property is increasing from up to down, and when we are talking about the group, up to down it is increasing and left to right it is decreasing, because you have seen that the metals are present in the left corner of the periodic table, and in the right side you have seen so many non-metals are there, like boron, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen is in the right side. Okay, so on the left to right the metallic property decreases, or here you can say that metallic properties goes up to down, means when you are talking about group, so the property of metallic character increases because the nuclear charge increases, because the number of electrons donation power is increases. Okay, so this is about that, and you have to do the question and answer of this chapter, and if you have any doubt you come to the school and ask these question and answers. Okay, and we will discuss the last year board question with this from this chapter, and we will discuss how to write or how to framework the answer related to this chapter. So if you have any doubt you can come to the school, ask to me, or if those who are the boarders who are not able to come to the school, I will take your one doubt session clear class. So tell me the time when you will be free, and I will adjust my timing according to that, then I will take your class also. Okay.